Yo, BELLGLADE, Florida, and this way I talk about Glamorous Promotions and Terminator Family presents the immortal Stone Love.
Give me now. The Stone Love sound will play every time. A sound can't wait, they're only watching the stars. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Rory, you drop and double down.
Yes, it's the second annual affair, the White and White edition, Saturday, July 7, 2012. Yes, this is an elegant affair, white and white gone clear. Yes, it's the world immortal Stone Love, live from Jamaica, at the White and White affair, the second annual event, place to be Club Hollywood, 201 Southwest 5th Street, BELLGLADE, Florida. Let's go! And this everybody I talk about. Come support it, you don't wanna miss it.
But let me hear you say, whoa.
Yes, it's the world immortal Stone Love, live in the place, also in the building, the year-to-year sound, Lover's Choice, Night Hawk, the hardest working sound, DJ Derek G. Shelley. And yo, this party event is hosted by me, Mark Jerker, aka Q Play All Day from the official, the original Biglife family.
Don't let me cheat on my girl.
Yes, do remember this is a white and white edition. One knock, the party and go on.
Don't let me cheat on my girl.
Yes, it's Stone Love and Friends. This party is a must. Come support it. Place to be the legendary Club Hollywood. One knock, yo, big up J. Cole, Night Talk ladies, Sharpman, Pinter Brown, Street Company, the whole of BELLGLADE people, West Palm, Fort Lauderdale, Miami. Let's go! Yes, it's the world immortal Stone Love, live from Jamaica, at the White and White affair, Saturday, July 7, 2012. Place to be Club Hollywood, 201 Southwest 5th Street, BELLGLADE,